What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Kia EV9 remote key fob. This Kia EV9 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and grab the screwdriver, if we look down near the key ring, down here, we see there's this notch right here. So what I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch like that and just pry up on the back cover. Pull that back cover off and we see our battery right here. And you can use your screwdriver just to kind of push it out of that little holder. Get our old battery out and then we'll grab our new replacement battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing that battery with the plus side up. Slide it down into its holder, make sure it's all the way in there. Then we can snap our back cover on. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.